Enterprise AI is only as trustworthy as the information behind it. Unverified information creates uncertainty. When AI outputs can't be traced back to trusted sources, organizations face hallucinations, inaccurate responses, compliance exposure, or lost trust. Organizations are seeking more transparent, trustworthy AI. Organizations need AI grounded in authoritative, attributable information. Connect your organization to authoritative GenAI-approved content that helps support transparent, explainable AI. LexisNexis provides the trusted, publisher-approved intelligence layer that organizations integrate into enterprise AI. Improve transparency, strengthen governance, support explainable AI, and reduce licensing uncertainty with the industry's largest GenAI-approved licensed news collection. Integrate trusted intelligence into AI applications, analytics, enterprise search, customer-facing products, and AI agents, delivered through Nexis Data Plus. Build trusted AI with trusted intelligence. Partner with the publisher-approved data provider for enterprise AI, Nexis Data Plus.